What's up guys, it's Cody over at Form First Fitness, just dropping another quick garage tutorial. Today we are going to talk about knee jumps. So knee jumps are a great plyometric movement, a great alternative if you do not have a box or a bench to use for box jumps, okay? So what we're gonna do, we are going to start on the ground, on our knees, and we are firmly pressing from the ball of the foot. So notice I have a nice high heel, I am pressing through my toes. We are going to squeeze the butt so that we have a nice tall crown, nice upright posture to begin with our hands starting in front of us. From here, we are going to dip our butt down so that it drives to the heels as our arms slowly come back, and then we are going to explode from the ball of the foot as our arms drive forward to jump, okay? As we press through the toes, I want those feet coming out nice and wide, and I want you thinking of stomping the ground as hard or loud as possible. So what it's going to look like, arms starting in front, butt squeeze, nice upright posture, pressing through my toes. I'm going to slowly drop that butt as my arms come back, and then explode up, knees coming out, feet coming out nice and wide as I stand. So one more time, in real time, upright posture, arms in front, slow and controlled, pop. One more time, arms in front, upright posture, slow and controlled, butt comes down, arms come down, pop, okay? If you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.